Hello, welcome to the It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on Google location history in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for our Google location history options, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for location menu right here, and in location menu we have location services. Our Google location history is turned off, as you can see. To turn it on, we have to open this menu, and here we have our option to turn it on. Tap it once. Yes. How does it work? What does it do? Etc. Turn on. Yes, got it. Back out. And now our Google location history is turned on. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.